Hey guys, today we'll be making RPG on Scratch. Today is currently February 11, 2024. I have 10 free classes listed below, and we're currently on how to make RPG game. So let's learn how to make a role-playing game RPG. What is RPG game? A role-playing game, RPG, is a game in which each participant assumes the role of a character that can interact within games within the game's imaginary world. So we need to get to Scratch. I actually have the link below for this Scratch RPG assets from Griffpatch. And yeah, you need to remix it. And I already done that. So yeah. So once you remix it, sorry guys, we need to wait for this loading project. No. Yeah, you won't have all of this. So, this is actually all the code for the player. You don't need to do anything else here. This is just part 1. So, yeah. If you could add more if you go to Griffpatch tutorial on how to do the full lesson on RPG. But this is what it looks like. It actually looks pretty cool. Yeah, so let's get started. Okay. When green flag clicked, it's going to set size to 200 and switch to costume idle 180. There are tons of costumes, but you want it to be idle 180. And you need to make some variables. So it's player X, and player Y. And you want them to be for all sprites. And now you need to make a broadcast. It's going to be called broadcast start game loop. When I receive start game loop, it will broadcast tick player. So you need to make something called tick player, and you also need to make something called broadcast paint player. So when it receives a paint player, it will set X position. It will set X to player X and Y to player Y, like this. Let me show you. Oh, oops. See, yeah. So then it will switch costume to base costume. You need to make one, and it has to be for a player only. So for this sprite only, when you make it, plus floor frame, which you could find in operators. Just put floor and mood 6. And this tells what the costume is. Yeah. I don't even think it will actually work. Look at it. It looks so weird, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay. And when I receive tick player, you want to make a block over here. And make sure you do run without screen refresh, or some things might go wrong. Like, yeah, let me show you. Doesn't look wrong, but uh, if you watch a GriffPax tutorial and you like continue with the tutorial, you will see some arrows. So make sure it's run without screen refresh. So you need to make a variable, joyx for player only and joy for player only. You want to set joyx to right or D. So when D is pressed, or when right is pressed. And change joy by left, or 0 minus left, or A pressed. And set joy to up, or W for joy Y. And change joy I by 0 minus key down pressed, or S pressed. And set joy dist to square root of joy x times joy x plus joy y times joy y. Yeah, okay. We're done with this. And all we have is this much left, so we can finish this video. When I receive Tick Player, it will broadcast the controls, which is this. And if this is greater than 0, then player movement, create a block that's called a player movement. Real quick, and make sure it's run without screen refresh. Else it'll switch costume to idle. So, in this code, if you just don't press anything, it's on its idle position. It's running, and this is idle. So when you don't press it, it will set to idle. Unless you press it, it'll set it to its animation. It'll join switch costume to idle plus player dir, and set base costume to costume, and set frame. Did I talk about base costume? Just real quick, for base costume. Oh yeah, I did. But for frame, make sure it's for player for this sprite only. Okay. Nice. Okay. So when I receive stop game loop, it will stop iris scripts in sprite. Okay. Down to the river, And define a player movement. Okay, so if joy this equals 1, set joy this to 1.5 and set joy x to joy divided by joyous, and joy y to joy y divided by joydest. Try move. Oh, about try move, let's check this. Run without screen refresh. Okay? Okay? Okay. And 5 times joy x and 5 times joy y for try move. And dx and dy. Make those. Okay? If joy x is less than 0, you'll set player dir to -90. And else it will set else joy x is greater than 0, then set player dir to 90. Else joy y less than 0, then set player dir to 180. Else it will set player dir to 0. And switch costume to walk. Switch costume to join walk plus player dir, and set base costume to costume number and change frame by 0.3, which is the speed of when it changes. If not, it could be slow or too fast. And for try move, change player x by dx and change player y by dy, and we're done. But just for real quick, I'll show you everything so you could pause the video. So I'll do this very slowly, and you should be pausing the video to check your code to make sure it's right, so you don't have to rewind the video. And I'll repeat it again. Make sure you add dx and dy. Just click add an input and do dx and dy, okay? So I guess we're done with the video. I don't think we have anything else to talk about. Whoa, I guess we're done. So see you later, guys. Have a great day. Make sure you subscribe to our videos. Make sure you comment down I like this video. Make sure smash the like button. So guys, I'll see you later.